guys.
Hi. You say hi?
What's up?
You want to try to stand up and skate? All right, stand up.
You want to stop it? Or do you want
Keep
to?
going. All right. Try a little bit. See how he's skating? Just try a little bit.
I can skate, but I forgot my skates. They're not skating to me.
Good job. Good job. You want to try it? Okay, stand up. Okay, there you go. Okay, now how about mommy hold your hand? Yeah, this way. You want to keep doing it with your bucket, or you want me to hold your hand?
Dude!
Good job. Good
You want to
job.
stop it?
Yeah, you can stop it now.